What's up? I'm not dead. So, as you can see, I've basically completely changed because I don't really like my old YouTube setup, so I want to try something new. Give me some feedback in the comments if you would like to. Anyways, so today we are going to be following a Bob Ross painting, only listening to his voice. The problem is I am very unprepared. I have not done anything. Like this canvas right here has lines on it, but I didn't want to go buy another canvas, so we're just gonna deal with that one. I have to get my paint. I got my paint. They're acrylic paint because I can't afford any oil paints. I got my paint brushes right here. I got my paint tray, which is just a canvas because I can't find a paint tray. Now, I don't know if I'm going to make like another video explaining everything, but my channel name, if I didn't, it's changed to whatever it is now, and my style is probably going to be very different now because now that you know, you can subscribe, you can like, you can dislike, I don't know, but let's move on with the video. So, first of all, I need to find a Bob Ross painting video, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. Oh, I found it. Okay, we're going to do... Alright, this one is Island in the Wilderness. Okay, so in order for me to not be able to see the video, I'm gonna put this canvas over. Hold on, you won't be able to see what I'm painting. Oh, let me figure this out. This is very stupid. My iPad is behind the canvas, as you can see. I will only be able to look at the canvas, and I'll make sure I turn the brightness all the way down so I can't peek. And now we're ready to go. All right, let's begin.
Hello, I'm Bob Ross. If this is your first time with us, allow me to extend a personal invitation for you to get your brushes and your paints and paint along with us each show.
All right.
We'll use about a dozen colors of some unorthodox brushes, and each show I'll show you how to put some of nature's masterpieces right here on the canvas. So I tell you what, let's get started. Have them run all the colors across the screen right there.
What's the colors?
The paint I just covered the entire canvas with a very thin coat of liquid white.
Okay.
The liquid white is designed just to make sure the lizard crest.
Why is it? Stop!
Now let's go right up here.
Okay, I need some liquid white.
And we'll take this old brush and just make a little excess and crisscross strokes. Just very boring part in the sky here. Maybe we'll have a little pink in the sky. So
Wait, we want pink? I need pink. Okay.
brush. Little phthalo blue. I like phthalo blue.
Where do we put the pink?
Very nice. Once again, just tap a little color into it. Let's go back up here.
I need blue now.
Still using a little
Oh my god. What's phthalo blue? Wait, what?
back after we clean the brush.
Where do you put the phthalo blue?
Now the blue is many, many times stronger than this little pink area.
Yeah, I can tell.
Heat it up so well, there.
Wait, we need a cloud?
See what we have always level.
Okay, we need water.
They will have still water, so pull from the outside in.
Oh.
Outside in. Add a little more and then down from the bottom. I'm just putting a little Prussian blue in each corner to darken it. And then the most fun part of this whole technique.
My contraption broke.
We're washing our brushes with odorless paint thinner. Shake off excess. And just beat the double. It's relatively dry from just beating it. We'll start in the light area, which is the pink.
Pink?
Blend it all together.
Blend what together?
About like so. That's all there is to it.
I guess we blend this pink together.
And down here, we'll just do the same thing.
What? Down here?
But it's that easy. That easy.
Oh.
What's so
Blend it
white,
together.
a little bit of the blue.
Okay.
This little 2-inch brush will do marvelous things. Watch here.
Is this 2 inches? I don't know.
Brush. And just pull down. so. Trees live far back in the distance.
Oh, we're doing trees.
We'll just have it. I don't know.
Why are trees blue?
In your world, you create any illusion that you want. And tap it.
I can't even wash my brush.
It'll help create that illusion of mist. Right?
Okay, we need mist. More white.
A lot of fun.
Why is my white so lumpy?
With several layers, it helps create depth in your painting. And for that, we'll add a little more blue, but we make it a little darker. And a little bit of...
Alright, we need more blue.
Make it in here. Just touching and pulling downward. That's all we're doing.
Oh, pulling downward.
Something about like that.
Wait, what? Why is the tree blue?
I don't know where they go. It doesn't matter at this point. And back to our other 2-inch brush. We will tap this. Create mist again.
Okay, we want to create
Notice
mist.
the separation. It's caused because of the difference in color, difference in value.
Oh, okay, we need black.
And a little phthalo blue. It doesn't matter. We just throw on that crimson.
What's phthalo blue? What's...
Be brave.
Alright, I'm brave.
Green in there too. It's getting close enough. We should begin seeing some color. A little bit of white.
I need to wash my brushes.
A little more detail.
Okay.
A little more distinct. There. And we just drop them in. We don't know where they go. Wherever you
Why are the trees green? I mean, why are the trees blue?
don't put too much detail in here. It's too far away. You're not going to see a lot of detail.
We need some mist.
And then, you know, when I was a traditional painter, one of the hardest things to make effectively was reflections. Watch how easy. I'll take some of that same color.
Okay.
We'll take
Color. Straight down.
something like so. Straight down. Make those little noises. It's very plain in your painting. Take a little white and lift upward.
What happens here?
Make a little
Oh, we need trunks.
there. Easy.
That's white?
Just don't know that we even care. Just let your imagination take you anywhere you want to go. A lot of times I started.
I'm just gonna clean my brush because I don't know what he's talking
There we
about.
go. Right there.
Oh, we need phthalo green.
A little crimson. There we go, knife. I just wiped the knife on it.
I really like how I'm doing my own thing and I'm not even following the tutorial or even trying anymore.
Both sides of the brush. Both sides of
We need a fan brush? Oh god, where's my fan brush? What?
There it goes. It's easier to do it fast than it is slow, though. Here they go. Just sort of back and forth. I had a lady in class one time told me it was like making Z's. The letter Z.
Okay.
She called them Z trees. So I guess that's as good of an analogy as any. From the center of the tree needs a friend. Now if you want to reflect those, just pop in some general indications of where they are. No big deal. See? Because we don't make mistakes here. We have happy accidents.
Yo, my reflections aren't bad.
Let's go back.
Uh,
Bushes that live down here.
why are the bushes white?
Woods.
I need dirt? Oh, I need brown.
Let's take a little bit of that color right there. Let's go right in here. This is your bravery test. Take the corner of the old 2-inch brush.
In my world, it looks like someone...
Absolutely anything. Inside of the bush right there.
Let's get crazy.
Big. Okay, let's drop it in.
This tree looks
We're
ugly.
doing one highlight or two on here.
Oh yeah, look at that highlight.
Normally,
I'm gonna show you what I have so far.
midnight black and some brown on one side. I'll load it full of color. Like that.
What colors are fish? Gray, I think. No, pinkish. No.
Take a little of the Van Dyke brown.
Okay, don't judge me.
Have us a little path. We had to walk all through these bushes. Mosquitoes would get us, so that's whatever it is that lives in here. There, take a little bit. Let's find some white, little dark sienna. Mix it together.
Those are my fishes. Do not judge me. Oh god, I am wasting a lot of paint. Okay.
We can go back over in here, and we can begin adding in.
Dead like my soul.
Clean knife. And you can
Wait,
reach
was
in
there no mountain in this
scrape
video?
right through the paint.
Oh god.
See? And that'll make all kinds
I'm gonna do my own mountain because I don't know what he's talking about.
Sometimes these little evergreens
So-
have dead limbs hanging off of it. And you can do that just with a little flick of the knife.
Look what
With that, I think we about without having finished painting. And if you tried, I'd love to see some photographs of what you're doing. So if you have
Would you like to see this photograph?
photographs of all of us here, I'd like to wish you happy painting. And God bless, my friend.
I need some... Oh god. I'm being pressured to finish this. Why is it red? Okay, there's some red. Those are just really nice clouds. I am finished, and my iPad did not fall off, so I'm very happy about that. All I could say is it's really hard to not look at a video and try to follow a painting. Let me show you what I have. So he talked about the pink and the blue, so I did that. I kind of blended it right there. And then I have a lot of trees, like that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trees. I have the path, the rocks, the bushes. He talked about fishing, so I decided to draw some fish. He talked about having red in the tree, so there, a dead tree. And I did a mountain because at the end, I basically just gave up. So, yeah. It won't focus. So here's Bob Ross's painting. And here's mine. So, I hope you enjoyed watching me being confused for however many minutes this video is. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I will probably just throw it away. Yeah, if you enjoyed it, subscribe. Nope, wrong thing. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. And I will see you later. This was a mistake.
So if you had
Please like. Goodbye.